Have you ever opened Instagram just to check one thing, only to realize you've been scrolling for an hour? If so, Instagram has a built-in feature that can help you manage your screen time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set a daily time limit on Instagram, explain how it works, and share a couple of helpful tips along the way. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to enable the time limit. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your profile page where you'll find all of your account settings. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where you can access Instagram's settings and privacy options. From here, scroll down until you find Time Management, then tap on it. Inside the Time Management section, you'll see a couple of different options. The one we're looking for is Daily Limit, so tap on that. You'll now see several time limit options to choose from. Pick the amount of time you want to spend on Instagram each day. For example, you might choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or another available option. Simply tap the one that works best for you. As soon as you select a limit, the feature is turned on automatically. You don't need to save anything else. From now on, Instagram will keep track of the amount of time you spend using the app each day. Once you've reached your selected limit, Instagram will send you a reminder letting you know that you've used your daily amount of screen time. One thing to keep in mind is that this is only a reminder. It doesn't completely block you from using Instagram. If you want to continue scrolling, you still can, but the notification's there to help you become more aware of how much time you're spending in the app. If you ever decide that your current limit is too short or too long, don't worry. Just come back to the same daily limit page and choose a different amount of time. You can also turn the feature off completely whenever you want. If you don't see the time management option on your phone, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Instagram occasionally changes the location of certain settings, so updating the app usually helps if something looks different. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.